We're taking fried chicken to the next level with these crispy Achari chicken tenders with a spicy honey butter glaze, and you won't believe what secret ingredient we're using. Let me show you how. Okay, so everyone loves chicken tenders. They're crispy, crunchy, so good. But today we are switching it up with these Achari chicken tenders, and my secret ingredient is Indian pickle. It's gonna go into the marinade, into the glaze, and it's going to give these chicken tenders such a great flavor. So let's start by marinating our tenders. So the very first thing that we're gonna do is make a paste out of our pickle. You can use any type of pickle, mango, lemon, lime, garlic. I'm using a mixed vegetable pickle today. I should probably be using my mom's homemade pickle, sorry mom, but you know, whatever you have in your fridge. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this pickle, put it in a food processor, and blend it until it's nice and smooth. So we're using chicken tenders today. They're nice and easy. You don't have to prep them, but if you can't find chicken tenders, feel free to grab some chicken breasts and cut them up into thin slices. So we're gonna take a little bit of that pickle paste. It's gonna go right into the chicken tenders. The color is magnificent and it smells amazing now that it's been pureed up. And to make these chicken tenders extra tender, we're going in with the classic buttermilk. Mix this all together, and you're gonna wanna marinate it for about an hour to overnight for maximum juiciness and flavor. Now, if you want to get your chicken extra crispy, I'm gonna let you in on the secret that your favorite fast food restaurants use. You need to use a dry coating and a wet coating and double coat for getting that extra crunch. So we're gonna start with the dry coating. I have a large resealable plastic bag here. This is going to make for easy breezy cleanup. And to it, I'm going to add some flour, a little bit of garlic powder, some chili powder for heat, cayenne chili, and a nice sprinkling of salt. And we're gonna shake it up to mix everything together. Now for the wet coating, all I'm going to do is crack an egg and grab just the yolk. We're gonna put that in a bowl and top it with some water, some salt to season, and some flour, and we're gonna whisk that up until it's nice and smooth. We have our marinated chicken, so let's get coating. This is such an easy process. All I'm going to do is take a few of those chicken tenders, drop them into my bag, and shake to coat. Next, we're gonna lift them out and put them in our wet mixture and coat again. And then last but not least, they're gonna go back into the bag with the dry mixture for a final coating. This is what's gonna make them mega crunchy. So I'm just gonna lay them out on this baking sheet until they're all done, and then we're ready to fry. So you're gonna ask me, Vijaya, can I bake these? Can I air fry these? And the answer always is yes, you can. But why would you when you can deep fry? That's when you're gonna get that mega crunch. So I have a wok here. It has a little bit of vegetable oil in it, and it's heated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna gently lower a few chicken tenders at a time, ensuring not to crowd the pan, and we're gonna cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes until they're crispy and crunchy on the outside and cook through in the middle. I'm gonna lay them out on a wire rack, and then we can make our sauce. I want to intensify that achar flavor, so we're making a glaze that's gonna top the chicken tenders. I'm starting off with a little bit of butter, some honey, and some sugar, and we're gonna cook that until it's nice and sizzly and bubbly. Off the heat, I'm gonna whisk in a little more of that achar paste. Look at that color, and now we are ready to glaze our chicken. I'm just gonna generously glaze it, give it that nice, beautiful lacquer, and guess what? I'm ready to tuck in. Okay, I've been waiting for this moment. Look at this piece of chicken. All those crunchy bits, that beautiful glaze. Let's give it a taste. It's so good. Did you hear that crunch? This is so mega crispy, and that is because we did that double coating. Don't skip on it. It is gonna make all the difference. And let me tell you, this glaze, I could put this glaze on cardboard. It would be great. It's so good. The perfect balance between sweet and buttery and spicy. Do me a favor and try this recipe, you guys. Switch up your chicken tender game and take it to the next level with these Achari chicken tenders. You won't regret it.